Morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So children, today is your happy faces literacy period. Open your book and open the page number 34. Today we are going to learn about new letter, which is letter J. Letter J. And the phonic sound of J is J. Phonic sound of J is J. Look at here. Here is a boy and he is eating a jam. क्या खा रहा है? Jam खा रहा है ये. He is eating jam. Let's talk. What is Jack eating? His name is Jack and he is eating jam. Jack is eating jam. Repeat after me. Jack is eating jam. J, J, Jack. J, J, jam. Next question is, who is eating jam? Jam कौन खा रहा है? Jack is eating jam. J, J, Jack. What is the common sound in Jack and jam? आपको बताना है Jack और jam में common sound क्या है? J, J, Jack. J, J, jam. तो sound क्या है common इसमें? J, J. Now look at here. Trace Mama J and Baby J with your fingers. So let's start. Make a sleeping line, then make a standing line और उसकी साइड में थोड़ा सा कर्व देते हुए उसकी टेल निकालनी है आपको. ओके, नाउ बेबी जे मेक अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन अगेन, टेल के साथ एक कर्व और ऊपर एक डॉट. सो इजी. डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इट और अच्छे से क्वेश्चंस को लर्न करो और उनके आंसर्स को भी लर्न करो. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर चिल्ड्रन.